Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to find drafts on Facebook. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all click on Facebook app. Okay, then click on your post option, just click, then show your draft videos, then discards post and save to draft, then delete, then try another post and draft, just click, then show videos, then next, click on cross icon and this option save to draft, just click, that's all, and post another time, just click, show these draft videos, that's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.